Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And this is our final day on our 69 Roadrunner Hemi 4-speed track pack car, vinyl top. So cool. We've had a freaking great time building this car. We've done the interior is as original as it gets. We used the original seats, the original carpeting, original dash. It's just been all taken out, restored, and detailed. It's cool stuff, you know, the B5 blue Roadrunner right there, beep beep. Just cool stuff. And now we're doing the final blackening out. This piece gets blacked out right there, and then we put the hood on it, which is already blacked out. She'll be ready to go. So this afternoon at 4 o'clock, we will have this baby in the trailer, getting ready to head out to the owner. This has been a great project. I mean, it has been tough. Parts for this car are scarce, and it came to us as a race car, so we had to actually build it back in its original form that it came from the factory. It's a great advertising piece. It's a great, just all-around piece. When people see these cars, they light up, especially with that Hemi, one of 12. So, folks, if you got something like this, if you need something like this, if you want something like this, you know where to come. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.